Alright, my babbers!
Alright, me lover.
Welcome to S&J TV1, and that's kind of interesting. Today we're visiting the Bristol Light Festival to see the various artworks that are best seen when it gets dark.
This is the second light festival Bristol has hosted. The first was held over 3 nights at the end of February 2020 and featured 9 artworks. If you didn't get to experience it, don't worry, as we filmed the whole thing and there will be a link to it at the end of this video. There was no light festival in 2021 because of you know what, but we are happy to say it's back in 2022, bigger and brighter than ever.
There are 14 artworks spread across the city and they're all free to visit. One is a returning favourite where you get to be a peeping Tom and view the antics of the neighbours on Park Street. Another is a phrase that can be overheard in Bristol. In 2020 it was Cheers Drive. What will it be this year?
Right, enough of us blabbing. Let's get on and see the artwork, starting with the first one on the map, Chirp and Drift.
Well, there you go. That was all 14 artworks in this year's Bristol Light Festival. Our joint favourite is behind us, and we also like the giant multicoloured Slinky Spring and the illuminated Alright Me Lover, which can most definitely be overheard in Bristol.
We've had a great time wandering around Bristol looking at all the artworks, and I think a lot of Bristolians have as well, judging by the number of people out and about.
That wraps this video up on the 2022 Bristol Light Festival, and let's hope it returns in 2023.
If you like this sort of content, why not stop by and take a closer look at our channel and maybe consider subscribing and ringing the bell to be notified when we release new videos.
In the meantime, thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye for now.
Bye.